Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name is Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this phenomenal Toyota Prius Plus Excel. This vehicle is currently done 4,724 miles and it's had two previous owners from new. It's finished in the colour Super White, and if you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have LED daytime running lights that give you great visibility throughout the day. Now around to the side of the vehicle. Does sit very nicely on the 17-inch alloy wheels. You have your hybrid badge in there on the side. You do have body coloured door mirrors with your indicator integrated in. You do have rear privacy glass, give you nice privacy to the rear, and it does make the exterior colour pop as well. Now you do have 3 rows of seats with 2 here at the rear, giving you a total of 7 seats in the vehicle. And your middle row here folds back into place once you've gained access to those seats. They're a very nice leather effect with two-tone grey. Very handy for children. Built into the door you have these visors that you can pop up very easily to keep their eyes protected from the sun. It's a very nice feature to have for a family vehicle. Now to the rear, you have your Prius Plus hybrid badging on the tailgate and opening up the boot. You have your third row there. They're very easy to put down. You simply lift the top tab there and push them down. They fold down almost completely flat, giving you a very spacious boot, making it very easy to load things in. You also have some storage underneath where you can house the boot cover. Very handy way to stow it away if you have the third row of seats up. You have a handle up top allowing you to easily close the tailgate. And now let's head inside and take a look at the front of the vehicle. You have your leather multifunction steering wheel there. You have a very nice silver effect across the dashboard. You have your front seats here. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You do have an armrest in the centre console as well with some storage in, allowing you to travel comfortably and stow things away. Now that we've had a look around the vehicle, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this vehicle has to offer. And starting on the driver's door, you have your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. Folding allows you to quickly fold the mirrors in. It's very handy when parking, as you can keep them protected, especially on narrow roads, as you can prevent them from being knocked off by other road users. It's very easy to make adjustments to the mirrors with your switches for the left and right mirror. Now here on the dashboard you have your button for your lane departure warning. This can detect when you're starting to drift out of your lane and alerts you, so you can correct this to prevent you colliding with other road users in other lanes. They have your lane departure alert turned on, and it also activates the steering assist. Now you do have automatic wipers as well as headlights, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. Now here on the steering wheel behind it you have your switch for the cruise control. This is ideal for those longer journeys, as it means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and allowing you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less straining your foot. You can see you have a digital display here up top, along with things like your fuel range. You can see your energy monitor for the hybrid system. It's controlled using the buttons there on the steering wheel. And on the opposite side you have some controls for your infotainment system, including a voice command. You also have your controls for changing radio stations or tracks for songs, along with your volume. You have your touchscreen infotainment system here where you can access your radio with DAB, FM and AM. You can easily find and tune your favourite stations to the vehicle, and with DAB you have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love the radio you can enjoy it nice, crisp and clear. You have some connectivity as well with Bluetooth, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to. You do also have your Toyota Online, where you can access different apps, including this very fun one called Glass of Water. This will judge you on how smooth you're driving and will tell you if you've spilt any water from how you've driven, and it can also coach you on this as well to be a more smoother driver. You can access things as well like Street View when you have a connection with a phone. You do have navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. The guidance is very easy to follow and understand. You have your media there where you can connect your source of audio as well. Now here you can also select reverse to display your rear camera. This gives you added confidence when parking in tighter spaces by making you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle of things you may not be able to see. You do also have your park assist that can help park the vehicle for you if you're struggling to do so. You can pick different ways of parking depending on the type of space you wish to enter. The vehicle can park for you, making it much easier if you aren't that confident. Now below here you have your air conditioning, which is all controlled using this spinning dial here, where you can make adjustments to your fan speed, temperature, and your direction of airflow as well. You also have buttons for defrosting the front and rear windscreens. You have your button for turning on or off the climate control. You have your AC button, and you can also recircle the air, which is very handy if you're stuck in traffic. Now below here you do have your heated seat buttons. You can turn that on for the left and right seat. You can keep nice and warm and forget about the cold outside during winter. Now here in the center console you have your button for turning on your electric mode. This is if you want to drive the vehicle on just electric rather than alternating between the two. Thanks for watching this video on the Toyota Prius Plus Excel. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.